The product feed is made by developers and needed to track competitors' prices. Sometimes there is a function in the middle of the online store with this feed where you can try to create it yourself, but doing so is difficult. Use a pixel. The pixel targets the history of page visits. For example, if a user visited the site and looked at a certain clock, this information was recorded by the pixel. From there, the product goes to our feed. It's not fast, but it works. Therefore, if you have a lot of products and plan to use the option when the pixel adds the product itself, this is not a very good option because changes in this feed will not happen as quickly as you would like. Therefore, the best option is to download the product with the help of developers. Feed formats. Which feeds are available on Facebook and Instagram? CSV, TSV, RSS XML, and Atom XML. You can learn more at the following link. It is not your task to create a feed. This is a task for the developer. The programmer creates a feed and gives you a link, which you give to Facebook. In other words, you will already have a data feed that will go to Facebook. Information on feeds. A data feed is a feed of products from your site. In other words, a list of all the products on your site. The feed must be accessible via the link. When updating the feed, we show current prices and products. Keep in mind what the feed is for. When a product runs out, the price changes or the conditions of the promotion shift. These changes are automatically updated. Thus, it is not necessary to update them manually. The developers set things up in such a way that the feed has the ability to update itself. When downloading the feed, you can choose how often to update it. Once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month, etc. If you have a lot of products or there is a turnover period, we advise you to have the developers set up your feed to update once a day, preferably in the evening, as by that time activity on the site will have already decreased. This is important as Facebook will try to pull these products, which will make it difficult for the site to work. Once an hour is very frequent and is only suitable for large stores with many promotions. Event tracking. In the Catalog Manager, there is an Events section on the left, where after the feed is loaded, you can track events. It will not be possible to load products if the site or feed stops working, or if some products were not loaded. All this information can be found in this section. Partner integration. In the BM, click Quick Links in the Events Manager section. This will allow you to see the Partner Integration section, which you can set up yourself without the help of a developer. You can install a special plugin on your online store that will automatically upload products to Facebook even without the help of a developer. In other words, the plugin automatically creates a product feed. All of this works with Facebook partners, but there aren't many of them. How is it configured? Go to the admin section of the partner site and install the plugin. That's it. One feature of WooCommerce site setup is a WordPress type site. If you have a WordPress site or have turned your site into an online store, WooCommerce is available to you. In this case, products can be added to the WordPress site. If you work with such a site on WordPress, there is a limit of no more than 5,000 products. If you add more products to a site with WooCommerce integration, the site will work slowly, and you as an advertiser are responsible for this. Another example is the Magento site. Large companies use this site for partner integration. Choose Magento from the list of partners. Connect an account. Choose what to connect, site or catalog. Choose a catalog, after which a special plugin is installed on your site. After creating a catalog, you can choose the Sales by Catalog section in the advertising settings. Go to the Ads Manager. In Tools, open the Commerce Manager and check that the correct number of products have loaded. Here, it is possible to work with directories and switch between them. In the Ads Manager, we can create an advertisement by clicking on Create Advertisement. Choose the campaign goal. Sales by Catalog. Choose the desired catalog. Click Next. In the name of the campaign, write Retargeting. In the group, in the Promoted Products field, select All Products. For the budget, select Daily. If we are talking about targeting, select the audience groups. In the Create a New Audience field, choose the Retarget Advertising to People who have interacted with your products on Facebook and outside it option. Choose the Browse and Add it to the cart but did not make a purchase within 14 days option. There are also options such as Add it to the basket but did not make a purchase, sale of more expensive or additional goods or services, cross-selling of goods, and customized combination. Next, choose an audience group, audience of users. This can be a base of users who added to the cart but did not buy, etc. Select automatic placement, adjust the design of our products, choose your Instagram page, view your product catalog, add the necessary text, title, description, add the call to action button to the store. Additionally, specify the site, fill in other fields, and launch the advertisement. You can still set up this ad in other ways. We can do the same, but in the group. In the promoted products field, when we choose all products, we can open this position and create separate product selections from the opened options. To the right of the promoted products field, click plus. A window opens where you can make a selection. Write, for example, kitchen sets in the product category. Choose by price, brand, size, product, etc. Now we can advertise, for example, only 1,000 towels out of 13,000 products. Next, in the audience for this ad, there is an option to find potential customers even when they have not interacted with your ad. This is a separate type of ad that you can use to create a new audience for your directory. This is where you can add a lookalike audience, an audience that is not your customer but will be interested in buying your product. Under the audience of users, choose lookalike 7% and set the audience parameters to see the products who viewed them, as well as new people according to Instagram and Facebook who will want to buy your product.